If you got a gift and you really hated it, and it's from your kids or your parents, would you tell them, I really don't like it, can I return it? Or was that faux pas? Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have an unboxing. This is a birthday unboxing from, it's a gift from my children. So let me back up. My birthday was last month and I did receive a gift from my children last month on my birthday. And so they had it shipped to me from Fashionphile. At the time that I got it, I realized I really didn't like it. I really didn't like it. I thought the color was like neon color. I liked the motif. It was a dog twilly from Hermés, which they know I love dogs, and they knew that I really have been looking at, my sister has one like it, and they knew that I loved hers. So they thought they were getting a certain color, and they sent me the website that they thought they were gonna get. But what I received was very different than what they thought they ordered in terms of color. You wanna go outside? Okay. So as I was opening it, I wanted to love it, right? Because it's a gift from my children. But I hated it. I hated it. I was like trying to love it, but I hated it. So I turned off the camera because I was gonna upload, unboxing of my birthday gift, and I thought it was gonna be like really positive. Well, it wasn't. And I called my kids and I said, I really don't like the color, because I wasn't gonna say anything, but I thought they spent their money. They're thinking that I'm gonna love it and I'm gonna use it, but it was a color that I would never, it's neon and with pink polka dots, and I don't like pink and I don't like neon. So I told them, I said, I really don't like this. Can I return it? And you guys can get credit. When we talked about it, they realized it is not something that they thought they ordered in terms of color, how it looked on the Fashionphile website and what I actually received. So I was able to return it because I didn't take out the tag or anything like that. And so I just thought, okay, that's it. But apparently they sent me another one. And they told me that they to expect it. So here it is. And really, you know me, I'm fine with pre-loved, consignment, I don't care. It doesn't have to be brand new. And my kids know that I'm all about the environment. So if it's new, great. If it's not, no biggie. Ooh. Okay, so, wow. Gorgeous. This is, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is an Hermès scarf that I know my sister has one in green, a bluish green color. This is Collier et Chien, collars and dogs. So it's dog collars and dog. And the reason why I love this scarf is because of this little poodle. Oh my God. And I love this color. This will match my bolide. Oh my gosh, and the tag is still attached. This is the editing me. So I wanted to share with you that this is carré washed, which means that it is already hand washed when they sell it. So it's a hand washed silk. So it feels much more soft and like butter than this one, which is brand new and just like regular, not hand washed already. So it feels a little more stiffer. Not that it's stiff, but it feels more like this is a little bit stiffer. Okay. This will become kind of feel like this, I think, if I washed it a lot. And this one, it says in the tag that it has to be dry cleaned, although I have hand washed Hermès silk. But this one, definitely you could hand wash it because it comes hand washed. It is beautiful. I think it must be like a new condition. What do you think? There it is. Ooh, it came from France. Ah, it came from France. How cool. Yeah, it's from Vestiaire Collective and it came from France. I mean, what do you think? I'm honest with my kids. Oh, sorry, that's my dog. He's got congestive heart failure, so sometimes he will do that. So if you receive a gift that you really don't like you know you're never gonna wear it, you're never gonna use it because it's not your style, your color, or whatever, would you tell them? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell notification so that you'd be notified every time I upload more videos. Okay guys, bye.